In this video, I will show you how to remove websites linked with PayPal account information. So let's begin the video. First, log into your PayPal account. Next, click the profile name in the top right side of the screen. And in this drop-down menu, click Account Settings tab. And next, in this section, you will find all the external websites where PayPal account is linked with. Currently, I have my PayPal account linked with this one website. For security reasons, it's always important to remove the external website. To do that, we will need to click the Remove Link option. Again, we will need to confirm removing the website connection in this pop-up window. And done removing the external website linked with PayPal permanently. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment, and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates.